With random roadside parking in Shillong worsening traffic congestion, Shillong Cantonment Board CEO Ayush Maurya has assured strict action against unauthorized parking in the cantonment area and parking zones. He warned that penalties would be imposed on violators, particularly those charging more than the prescribed amount or parking in unauthorized locations. Maurya reiterated that multiple stakeholders must be consulted before granting land for parking and warned that any breach of contract would result in fines.
See, as of now, there is no such proposal. State governments definitely this issue of traffic congestion is a big one in Shillong, as we all know. So, state government is trying to have proper designated parking spots. Uh, as of now, there is no active consideration inside cantonment area. But as and when requests come from state government, we will consider it. It has to be dealt with. There are multiple stakeholders. The Defence Officer, Guwahati Circle, DO Circle is there, Army is involved. So every stakeholder needs to take into consideration before giving any land on parking.